In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor tags in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know how to place fields that automatically find the right spots in your document, saving you time and ensuring consistent, accurate placement. First, sign into your DocuSign account in your web browser. Once you're in, start a new envelope. Choose New, then send an envelope, and upload the document you want to prepare. This can be a contract, a form, or any file where you want fields like signatures or dates to appear automatically. Next, add your recipient. Enter their details and assign the appropriate role, such as signer. Roles control what each person can do, so make sure the person who needs to sign is set as signer before moving on. Click Next to go to the tagging screen, where you'll place and configure your fields. This screen shows your document on the right with the Fields panel on the left, so you can drag items onto the page. From the Fields panel, select the type of field you want to place, such as signature, initials, date signed, or a text field, and drag it onto the document where you want it to appear. This first placement helps you configure the field and serves as a reference before you switch it to an anchor. Now, enable the anchor. With the field selected, open its settings and turn on anchor tag or anchor text. In the anchor text box, type the exact phrase that appears in your document where you want this field to attach. For example, sign here. The match must be exact, including spelling and punctuation, so double check for extra spaces or differences in capitalization. Around the middle of your setup, remember this helpful note. I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the very top of the video description, so you can open it directly and follow along. Fine-tune your anchor settings. If available, set alignment to position the field relative to the text, and use offsets to nudge it left, right, up, or down if it needs to sit just above or beside the phrase. If your document repeats that phrase, matching rules can help determine which occurrence is used. Review carefully to ensure your anchor text matches the document exactly. When you're happy with the placements, review the envelope. Confirm the fields are correctly assigned to the right recipient and appear in all the expected locations. Finally, click Send to deliver the document for signing. That's how to add anchor tags in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.